Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. For week 6, we're going to be focused on one of our first market structures, which is perfect competition. Perfect competition is characterized by a market structure where there are many firms that are selling identical products. And when these firms are selling identical products, they have the ability to price their product at the market price. They're classified as what we call price takers. Price takers means whatever the market price is, they will take the market price. That's the key to this market structure. And the reason why this exists is because the products are very difficult to differentiate. And no one firm will have the ability to influence the prices that are established in the market. That's very important to know. That's one key factor. So when you look at this market structure, what you want to focus on is how do these firms make decisions and how do these decisions influence the prices that are being charged? So when we look at what we're focused on this week, we're going to be looking at the role of perfectly competitive firms and monopolistically competitive firms, the two basic market structures. Perfect competition, as we already discussed, is a market structure where there is many buyers and sellers selling identical products. Now, monopolistic competition, it's not monopolies. That gets very confusing for some people. Monopolistic competition is a market structure where there's many buyers and sellers selling products that are slightly differentiated. Now, when products are slightly differentiated, that means that they are able to charge the price they would like to in the market. And that's key to establish. So prices are slightly differentiated, and that creates a lot of challenges for markets. And the good examples of perfectly competitive firms are agriculture. Now, good examples of monopolistically competitive firms are going to be fast food restaurants, Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks. Any market structure where there is a lot of competition and the differentiate between the products are what is the firms are differentiating on. Because when you differentiate between the products, that's going to bring about more ability to focus on the product structure. And they're going to do this differentiation through advertising and marketing. So for this week, we're going to be looking at market structures. And what I want you to do is explain an example of a monopolistically competitive and perfectly competitive firm that you purchased from, and explain how these markets react. Now, what you want to do is when you look at these markets, the barriers to entry in these markets are very low. That's the key thing. When barriers to entry and exit are very low, firms will enter and exit the market freely. Okay, so that's where we want to focus on. Then due by Friday is your peer responses. You can respond to any of my questions that I post to any student in the class or any peers or any of your peers. You'll also have the quiz. Quiz will be 20 multiple choice questions. You'll have 2 attempts in 60 minutes, and I'll take the highest of the 2 of the quizzes. And then you have your reflection. In your reflection, you want to describe the 2 different market structures. You want to compare and contrast between the 2 market structures. And then you want to focus on the cause and effect of the differences and what brings about these differences. And how is a monopolistically competitive firm able to charge a higher price compared to other market structures? Now, if you need any additional resources, please let me know. But I look forward to your effort this week.